Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Karbon Steel Mobile Pedestal. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are a 3-drawer pedestal, 2 keys, 1 pen tray, 1 filing drawer divider, 2 standard casters with bracket pre-attached, 2 locking casters with bracket pre-attached, 8 10mm caster screws, 1 drawer support caster with threaded stem, 1 mini wrench. The pack containing all these components can be found in the pedestal's top drawer to prevent them from getting lost during transit. You will also need a Phillips crosshead screwdriver. To start, carefully turn the pedestal upside down. Using 4 of the 10mm caster screws, attach the 2 locking casters to the front of the pedestal like this. Using the remaining 4 10mm caster screws, attach the 2 standard casters to the back of the pedestal like this. Each wheel slots into position and is held in place by 2 screws. Next, screw in the drawer support caster and tighten using the mini wrench. Carefully turn the pedestal the right way up. Slide the pen tray in the top drawer. Finally, insert the filing drawer divider into the bottom drawer. And there you have it. Your new Karbon Steel Mobile Pedestal is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.